Well, good morning, Barber World. It's a Saturday morning, and I just wanted to let y'all know that Nashville's best female barber on Instagram, that's Shaka Moore, she just did a unit this morning. It took her 2 hours, and she did a permanent non-surgical hair replacement unit on a guy, one of her clients. She bought the hair from Miracle Barbie MD, and she was just so happy because she made $1,500 in 2 hours, and she's finished for the day. She said she's going home. She's going to enjoy her Saturday, and she was just so ecstatic. So y'all barbers, y'all can give her a shout out. She talked about before then she would be cutting about 30 heads all day long on a Saturday and would go home, miss the whole day of having fun. Her knees would be tired, her hands. So she's just really loving this non-surgical hair replacement. So thank you, Miracle Barbie MD, for giving her the hair. Y'all join the course, right?